2009, I was not aiming for UP kasi actually, hindi ko alam na meron palang UP. Ang original na dream school ko is actually PLM. So, I was studying hard for it. And inaya ako ng best friend ko na mag-review center kami sa standards alongside Commonwealth. So, pumayag naman ako, sumama naman ako, kasi why not? Then, yun lang, days before UPCAT, nagkasakit ako kasi naulanan ako during our food bazaar for nutrition month. It was the early days of August. And naka-recover naman na ako. Kaso, mayroon kaming classmate na late dumating. Sabay-sabay kami magkakaklase. Napupunta ng UP Diliman. So, out of panic, it was 6:15 in the morning. And our testing time is 6:30. Ang testing area namin would be School of Economics. And yet, nasa University Avenue pa lang kami. It was traffic. So, in panic talaga, bumaba kami, umuulan na nun, at tumakbo kami papuntang gym. And nung nare-realize na namin na naliligaw pala kami, sumakay kami sa UP Econ. Kaso, mali kami ng pinagbabaan, College of Home Economics pala kami binaba. Yung mga proctor doon, hindi na nagpapapasok ng mga late test takers. Tumakbo kami. So, buti na lang, mabait talaga yung mga proctor namin. It was full inside the auditorium. And okay naman ako nung language. It's one of my strongest suit talaga. Science, sakto lang yung time. Pero nung math talaga nabinat ako. Kasi galing ba naman sa sakit? Galing sa ulan, tumakbo. So, kung nangyari, nilalagnat na ako, inuubo na ako. So, hindi pa natapos yung exam. Nung nasa reading comprehension na, mabilis naman ako. Kaso, hindi ko na binalikan yung math subtest ko. Bawal din naman. So, I leave it all blank. Kumain na lang ako. So, paglabas ko ng testing area, feeling ko talaga bagsak ako. Kaya, laking gulat ko, months later, na feeling ko talaga napalungkot talaga ako when I heard on the phone nakapasa ako. And pinili ko talagang mag-aral sa UP. So, ano nga ba yung mga tips ko for the test takers natin ngayon sa UPCAT? Una is, pray to God. God's will naman yan. He will make a way. Second is, sabi kasi dun sa James chapter 1 verse 5, kung manghingi naman tayo ng wisdom kay God, pagbibigyan naman niya tayo. So, pray lang kay God. Believe in Him. So, second naman na tip is maging healthy. Take care of yourselves. Kasi yun yata yung talagang parang na-learn ko dun sa kwentong UPCAT ko. Kasi aanhin mo naman kung yes, nag-review ka talaga. Pero nung pagdating ng exam, you did not do your best because you were sick. Kaya ingatan niyo yung sarili niyo. Actually, by this time, hindi na kayo gaano nagre-review. You take it easy na. Hindi ka magka-cram the night before. Kasi, hindi mo rin na siya masyado ma-absorb. Enjoy mo na lang. Parang kumbaga, nire-ready mo na yung mind mo dun sa exam. Then third, be prepared. And this is not yung before lang. You should be ready before, during, and after the exam. So, una, yun nga, I know na nag-review na kayo, nangingi na kayo ng mga tips, at words of encouragement from other people. During was to make sure na dala mo lahat ng mga needs mo, yung mga gold pencils mo, yung food mo. Tapos alam mo dapat yung testing area mo. Then, yung don't be late. Then lastly, after the exam, you also try to other colleges and universities para paglabasan na ng mga results, you're also ready and be able to choose what school are you going to college. So my words of encouragement is this: believe in God and just do your best. He will make the rest. So sa mga future isko at iska, padayon.